Okay, let's start on this pink smoky eye. Wait, what? I'm doing this very smoky, no, not pink eye. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a very fun pink smoky eye. We got all these colors going on with the pink lip. I actually got this idea from Jaclyn. I was watching her video the other day and she did this very tropical, like with pinks and like some yellows. But I like the smokiness that she did with the pink, so I kind of in a way followed her tutorial, but I added some shimmers to create a halo eye. Before you guys continue on with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be part of my family if you guys want to be a part of it, to see everything that I do. I do come out with a video every single week. So with that being said, please continue to watch. Okay, let's start on this smoky pink eye. No, wait. Smoky. No. Pink smoky eye, that's what I meant. Okay, so we're gonna use a couple of different palettes. I got the Dominique Cosmetics NYX because there's a couple of pink ones in here that I want to test out. The Tarteist Pro. I might use this, My Little Pony from ColourPop, and then my go-to, little Miss Jaclyn Hill here. Yes, Jinx, can I help you? He's scratching on my leg. I don't know what he wants exactly. Hi. Hi. Can I help you? You want to be part of the crew? Want to be part of the camera crew? Want to control my camera for me? Say hi to Jinx, guys. He's my Persian furry cat. Okay, you can go now. So I already have my face all done. We're gonna do most of the focus on the eyes, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm gonna set my eyes with these two colors right here. I was actually thinking about doing like a halo eye. I haven't done one with pink or anything like that on my channel yet. So, same brush. I'm gonna start with the transition color. First color I'm gonna start with is right here, ashy purple color, and I might mix it with these. I'm gonna mix it with these two right here, just to get some dimension in the eye. Same brush again, then we'll go into this purpley color right here, just slightly right below that transition color I first made, just to get a little more dimension. So go right under it right here, just swipe it back and forth. Okay, so that finishes the transitions colors for now. Next, we're gonna use the NYX Ultimate right here. Oh, there we go. There's a lot of pinks and purples and all the funky colors in here, as you can see. So I think the first one I'm gonna go for the outside and probably the inside. I'm gonna add multiple colors on top of that. Go for this color right here and the one next to it, this one right here. Start on the outer corner. So I'm kind of placing it where I wanted to go and then circling it around to not go too far where I wanted to go, like on the inside. I just want to focus on the inner corners right here. Add a little bit more of pink, this one right here, on the inner and outer corners. Huh? This one right here. I love working with funky colors. Like my daytime looks, or I'm going to work and whatnot, it's more neutral tones, browns, purples. They're more on the softer side. When I'm kind of going out, or if I want to do something pretty creative, I like working with funky colors. One of the reasons why I actually got this palette. I'm going to connect it just right under that two transition colors that we created first. I'm going to add some of this color right here, just to add a little more depth to the tones right here. So I'm putting that color in the inner corner and outer corner where we're creating that smokiness. I will clean up the inner side of my nose because it looks pretty crazy right now. So I'm gonna let that be for now. Actually, I did want to add a little bit of yellow, this one right here, into the transition just to kind of blend it all together because it brings a lot of brightness into the eye. Add a little bit right here at the top. It barely like peeks through, but it brings a lot of brightness into the look. I haven't seen you guys in a week. What's been going on? What's new? Put it down in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you guys. I'm actually up to 60 subscribers now. Yes, I know it's not much, but I'm actually very proud of it. At least I'm proud of the fact that my channel is growing, which I'm very happy with. Just because, you know, you start from nothing and then you see your channel grow little by little, which means to me that people are actually liking the stuff that I do, and motivates me to do more stuff, to become more creative and push my limits with my artistry of what I can create, what kind of looks I could do. I'm always on social media and always like to see what's new and what's out there. And I don't buy a lot of palettes, most of the time I did do I did go on a shopping spree a few weeks ago at Sephora, and I bought a couple of the new products like the forsè and the MAC stuff, and a couple of the Huda Beauty, like the baking for under the eyes, her was pound cake and all that stuff. Easy bake, I guess she called it that line. But at the same time, as I said, like I really enjoy doing what I do, even though I'm not getting paid off of it. But it's something that's fun. It's a hobby of mine that I like to do, and I just like to create different looks and different things that I'd like to learn on social media. So again, for all my 60 subscribers that I have, I just want to say thank you, and you guys are motivating me to do more. So with that being said, please don't forget to, you know, share my videos and show people what I do, and subscribe and like and comment on stuff, because most of the thing, what I'm missing on this channel is I don't see a lot of comments or what other stuff I could create. If you guys are watching this, or if you're watching this, if you're one of my subscribers, please comment. I'd like to know who you are and actually get to know you a little bit more and share with the world of what I do. So thank you. In conclusion, I'd like to see my cat a little bit more, or hear him scratch on the door like that. So before I do any of the shimmers and glitters on the halo, I'm going to use some of the shadows on the lower lash line just to kind of bring the look together and see what, just to see what kind of shimmers I actually want to go for. Because I do want to make it as pink as possible. It's more on the purpley side, so I want to add a little more dimension with the pinks. So for the under eye, I'm going to add this color, mix this color right here and this one right here. So now, for the fun part, I said I might be using this, but I don't think I have any colors here that I want to use. So there's some shimmers in the Jaclyn Hill palette, like these three right here. I want to mix with the pink in the Lemonade palette, pink lemonade from the Dominique Cosmetics that I would like to try. So I'm going to base this first, and then I'm going to add probably those three colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette after that. So tap, tap, tap into this, the pink lemonade from the Dominique Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys heard, but she actually just dropped another palette. I think it's called Berries and Cream. She changed her hands of how they look like. They look like, I think like a rectangle or something, but she has some edges in it. I'm very excited to probably get my hands on it later on down the road. But this palette so far, this is the only thing I have from Dominique Cosmetics, and every color that I've used so far has been spectacular. So it does have a lot of shimmer in it, but I do want to add some more. So I'm going to try mixing all these three colors right here, because this one has like a rose gold. Ooh, I actually forgot about this. I just got the chrome paint from Tarte, and it's freaking amazing. It's actually the rose gold color, rosé. This one right here. Ta-da! So I'm gonna base that a little bit more with the shimmer that I just added, because it mixes very well with powders. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Get a clean blending brush and just kind of blend it out. I'm covering where I didn't want it to go with the pink from the NYX palette. So next, we're gonna top that off. Mixing these three from the Jaclyn Hill palette. If you watch my channel, you know I love anything that has to do with shimmers and highlighters. I'm as shimmery as anybody could actually get, but I love it. It's so pretty. How can you not like shimmers? Next, I want to add some on the inner corner, some shimmer on the inner corner and the brow bone, just to kind of complete the look all together. I'm gonna go back to my Jaclyn Hill palette right here. I'll mix this one right here with this one, just to have a little bit more white, because I don't want to be too pink. And now just the white on the brow bone. So flip the brush over. I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back and we'll go from there. All right, we got some lashes on. The ones that I did were from Lilly lashes in the style Havana. I will be adding some like a white color in my waterline, because my eyes, like my waterline tends to get red all the time. It's just from my jeans. The one I'll be adding is from Sephora. Glide liner is in the color White Snow. Add a little bit more into my waterline, and it helps a lot with these kind of smoky eyes. It makes your eyes pop a little bit more. As you can see, like, look at the difference. Last but not least, lipstick. So the lipstick that I'm adding is from ColourPop. Bam. This is in the color Unraveled, and I'll top it off with the Anastasia liquid lipstick. A lot of people say when you do like a very smoky eye or a very powerful eye like that has a lot of colors going on, they say not to add like too much of powerful color on the lips, but I like to go with the opposite just because I can do what I want. It's makeup, so you could be as creative as you want to. I understand the nude, like having it like a more of a subtle tone on the lips just to have the focus more on the eyes, but why not add the focus on the lips and the eyes, because they're both beautiful colors, right? I'm actually very happy how this turned out. I have all the pinkiness and purples and all the smoky eye going on. It's not a pink eye, I promise. I don't have pink eye. I messed up with that in the beginning. Well, this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. My hair is kind of a little crazy right now, but it's okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. So hope to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye. Oh, forgot. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things that we talked about earlier, okay? Again, bye.